Hey guys, what's up, what's going on? My name is Britt and this is the Banana Diaries. So today we're going to be making some super easy, super delicious, one bowl vegan pumpkin chocolate chip muffins. These muffins are super moist, super simple, entirely vegan. They're eggless, they're dairy free, they're soy free, and they can also be made oil free too if you need that option. They taste like the epitome of fall. This was definitely my most made recipe from last fall, and I am remaking it again to give it a little bit of an update. So yeah, I figured that we might as well make a video to go with it. So without further ado, let's begin. So to start, you're going to be adding in some gluten-free 1-to-1 baking flour to a bowl. You can also use some all-purpose flour here as well. A little bit of baking soda, some baking powder, a little bit of pumpkin spice and cinnamon, some coconut sugar, and then we're just going to whisk it all together until there are no more clumps. Next up, we're going to be adding in the wet ingredients of the pumpkin pie puree. Just be sure that it's actually pumpkin puree and not pumpkin pie filling. I have made that mistake once before and it does not turn out well. Then we're going to be adding in some flaxseed eggs, which is just ground flaxseed mixed with some water, some coconut oil, olive oil, or you can do applesauce for a low-fat version of these pumpkin spice muffins. You can also add in some vegan butter as well, whatever you have on hand. Either of those options works. But we're just going to mix the batter until there are no more dry clumps. And it is definitely a thicker batter, so just take a few minutes to just make sure that it's all mixed, and then you can add in the chocolate chips and you'll just fold them all together. I always like to err on the side of extra chocolate chips, so I add in about a cup of chocolate chips, but you can add in 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chips or just as much as you'd like, or just completely omit altogether, and you can add in some pumpkin seeds, some nuts. These can be completely nut free if you don't use a vegan butter, so just keep in mind that these are pretty allergy friendly as well. Once the batter is into the muffin tin, then we can just bake, and they come out to be the fluffiest, most delicious pumpkin spice muffins. They are perfect for a healthy breakfast or an afternoon snack. You can have them with a cup of coffee or just whenever you feel like. They're so easy and so delicious. And there you have it, these super easy, super delicious pumpkin muffins that are incredibly moist yet entirely dairy free. You will never know that these are egg free, trust me. These are just the most delicious fluffy pumpkin spice muffins that you'll ever have. These muffins are perfect to make at the beginning of the week if you want to start your morning off with a little bit of a fall vibe, as I am currently going for. I know that it's August, but after this heat wave, I'm just not about this anymore. So now let's do the taste test. And the liner just comes right off. That's awesome. That to me is like a sexy muffin right there. If the liner just peels right off, I'm like, it's good. I'm gonna eat these all day long. It's fantastic with coffee too. I shouldn't speak with my mouth full. I'm just so excited. And you would never know that these are vegan. Well, I'm a happy camper. So if you dig this recipe, let me know down below in the comment section. And also be sure to head to the blog, thebananadiaries.com. It's also linked down below in the description box if you want to make this recipe yourself. Definitely give it a rating to let me know how it went for you. Anyways, I hope that you have a fantastic rest of your day. Remember that you are an incredible human being. You deserve to be here, and I'm always rooting for you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Now they can't have pumpkin. Ah, okay. No, we're not gonna have the pumpkin muffin. Okay, and also you don't need a. No, these muffins